Welcome, fellow travelers. Today we find ourselves on the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean. We are in Barcelona, the proud capital of Catalonia, a city that pulses with a unique rhythm. Ancient Roman stones rest in the shadow of fantastical modernista spires. In 5 minutes, we will let the places speak for themselves. We will focus on the enduring elements that give Barcelona its character. Grand landmarks, surprising pockets of nature, and masterful architecture. We will tune into sights, textures, and ambient sounds. From intricate facades to sweeping viewpoints that have inspired travelers for centuries. If you enjoy place-first journeys, consider subscribing for more destinations. Drop a like to support the channel. Activate the bell so you never miss a new trip. Our 5-minute journey begins now. Our first stop is recognized around the world, the Basílica de la Sagrada Familia. More than a church, a century-in-the-making masterpiece by Antoni Gaudí. Look up. The towers feel almost organic, as if they grew from the earth. Intricate textures, corn cobs, sand-carved curves, reward a close look. A vision so bold it spans generations and continues today. The stone tells biblical stories with emotion and movement. Then the angular, modern intensity of the Passion facade. Listen, the soft clink of tools. This dream grows stone by stone. Inside, Gaudí conducts light. Columns branch like trees reaching for the sun. Morning brings cool blues and greens across the floor. Later, warm oranges and reds set the space aglow, a serene sanctuary of light and color. Tip: book tickets online in advance. Arrive at opening for a calmer visit. Give yourself at least 2 hours to truly absorb it. Next, we ascend Carmel Hill to Park Güell. Gaudí's whimsy greets you at the entrance. Paths wind among tree-like columns. At the heart, a vast terrace bordered by a serpentine bench. Vibrant Trençadís tiles sparkle in the sun. On a clear day, the view is spectacular, city to sea. Listen to the pines and cheerful birds. Back in the city core, La Rambla reveals its charm in the morning. Look past kiosks to elegant facades and ironwork balconies. Spot the Opera House and the colorful Miro mosaic underfoot. Tip: walk with awareness and keep valuables secure. Go slowly. Treat it as a pleasant, mile-long journey to the waterfront. Simple pleasures line this iconic walk. Let's step back in time into the Barri Gothic. The historic heart. Wide avenues give way to a maze of stone. Turn a corner, a silent square, a murmuring fountain. The cathedral's cloister shelters resident geese. Centuries speak in carvings, balconies, and scarred stone. From enclosed lanes to the open sea, golden sand meets the gentle Mediterranean. Stroll or cycle the promenade, masts draw white lines in the sky. Come early for soft light and calm air. Tip: bring water, a hat, and sunscreen. For a final perspective, ascend Montjuic. Trace the example grid. Watch ships move the harbor. Green respite, gardens, birds, and fresh air. Barcelona blends old and new, mountain and sea. Thanks for joining me.